figured I'd make my way back home. Sick of this weather and this damn old cold. If I could find a light for this red cigarette, figured about this road and the place I'm in. Whoa. Watching me make my own mistakes, I wish I could break this window pane. If you'd answer the phone and keep your pride away, sharp baby is what I'd say. And I'm finally finding myself. Wish you'd take this chance and give it hell. Still want me, let me know, because I'm 14 miles from home. Sitting on a fence cause my truck broke down, the radio's fluid all over the ground. Luck is like a friend that speaks behind your back. I ain't worried with the things like that, because I'm finally finding myself. And I wish you'd take this chance and give it hell. And if you still want me, let me know, because I'm 14 miles from home. And I'm addicted to the reason, never leave it won't let me die. I ain't worried about a chance, and the driving part I die, because I'm finally finding myself. Wish you'd take this chance and give it hell. And if you still want me, let me know, because I'm 14 miles from home. And I've got one more mile to go. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting lesson. This one was a request I received from it's a band called 6 Market Boulevard, and the song's called 14 Miles from Home. Okay, I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as 6 Market Boulevard. Okay, so let's break it down for you. Singing was purely for reference only, not intended to be a cover version in any way. Okay, so the introduction is basically it's a C chord, based on a C chord, and it starts off as a C major 7th, so it's a C chord without the first finger. Okay, and the whole thing is like you hammer into that first fret from the open second string to the first fret on the second string when you start the chord off. So right, then to a G chord. Okay, so that got that. You can play a 4-fingered G if you want, doubling up on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the 3rd string. That's quite nice as well. Or you can just play a simple G chord. It's up to you, however you like the sound of. Okay, so again, it's just very slowly. I'll do it for you. So you do 3 of those, and then you go to an A minor 7th and back to the G. So on the 4th time it's A minor 7th. So it's an A minor lifting off the 3rd finger, open 3rd string, just 2 fingers, first on the 2nd, second on the fourth, okay? So the whole intro, and you do it twice, okay? So it's start on the C, all that, you can do that 4 fingers as well if you want. A minor 7, G, C again, A minor 7s, right, and now it comes into the song, okay? And what I do for the song, I listen to it, and I think during the actual verse they're just playing straight C. I don't think they're doing the hammering of the C. I think just to keep it simple, just do a normal C chord to the G. So it's C to G, C to, it's just like the verse, sorry, just like the intro. Three times C to G, C to G, C to G, and then an A minor 7 to G, okay? So don't bother with the hammers on the verse, unless you want to, of course, it's up to you. But I don't think they're doing that on the verse, okay? So just do the intro and I'll do the first verse for you, okay? So here we go. Alright, here comes the verse. I figured I'd make my way back home, sick of this weather and this damn old cold. If I could find a light for this cigarette, I'd find where the okay, got that? It's exactly the same as the intro, but I'm not doing any hammers, okay? 3 lots of C to G, and then an A minor 7 to G, okay? So, from the beginning of the verse, I figured I'd make my way back home, I'm sick of this weather, A minor 7 to for this wet cigarette, I'll fade about this road and this place I'm in. Now play the intro through just once. Next verse. Watching me make my own mistakes, I wish I could break this window pane. You'd answer the phone and you'd go right away. A one-shot baby is what I'd say. Okay, exactly the same to play as the first verse. And when you come out of the second verse, we go into the chorus, okay? So we don't go into the intro or anything. And the chorus is basically E minor. So it comes out of "Sugar baby is what I'd say," and I'm finally finding myself. That's an E minor, and I'm finally finding to G. Repeat E minor to C. Ba, 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 ba. Repeat, and if you still want me, let me know, because I'm E minor, 14 miles from home. Just a quick miles from home, a bit quicker on the C to G there, but it's timing slightly different. Okay, time from home. Okay, so that whole chorus coming out of the do the second verse. Okay, watching me make my own mistakes. I wish I could break this window pane. You answer the phone, keep your pride away. One shot baby is what I say, and I'm finally finding myself. Wish you'd take this chance and give it hell. If you still want me, let me know, because I'm 14 miles from home. Let me do the intro again, okay? Next verse. Sitting on the fence cause my truck went down, radiator splits all over the ground. Look, you're like a friend that speaks behind your back. I ain't worried about things like that. chorus. Says, finally finding myself. I wish I'd take this chance and give it help. Just as normal chorus. And if you still want me, let me know. Because I'm 14 miles from home. Intro. And I'm addicted to the reason. And then just basically, then on the actual record, it goes into a sort of an instrumental section. I decided that as per their unplugged version, so to speak, they go straight into the middle 8, which is what I did. Okay, this sort of bridge section, and it comes out of that. After that, you do that last chorus and the intro again. And I'm addicted to the reason that believe it won't let me down. And that's basically A minor. So I'm addicted to the reason, then C, believe it won't let it, G, die, repeat, and it's, sorry, and I ain't A minor, worried about the chance, and that C, driving by, and D, and on the actual record they do a little rundown, D, C, B minor, stop. Okay, on the live unplugged version he just carries on playing the D and stops. But on the actual record he goes that. Okay, so it's a D to, if you play the record version it's D down to C down to B minor. On the live unplugged version he just stays on D. So I ain't addicted to the reason and believe it. It die. I ain't worried about a chance. I'm driving by, because finally find chorus with yourself. Exactly the same as usual. Wish I'd take this chance and give it help. And if you still won't be, let me know. Because I'm 40 miles from home. My final line, and I got one more mile to go. Final line of the song, it's just strum one strum at a time, and I got A minor, one more C, to G, go, stop. Okay, so it's the chorus, and that final line is because they're 14 miles from home, and I got one more mile to go. End of song. So there you have it, boys and girls. Thanks very much for watching this thing. Hope you make some sense out of that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.